In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements on Webflow. We'll walk through this together step by step, starting from the Webflow dashboard and ending with you confidently dragging elements to exactly where you want them on your page. First, open your browser and go to the Webflow website. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the main overview of all the projects in your workspace. Take a moment to find the specific site you're currently building or want to edit. When you see it, hover your mouse over that project card. You'll notice an option appear that says Open in Webflow. Click that to launch the designer for that site. After a brief load, you'll be taken into the Webflow designer interface. Here you can see your canvas in the middle, your elements and page structure on the left, and styling options on the right. To move an element, you have two main ways to select it. You can either click directly on the element on the canvas or locate it in the navigator panel on the left, which shows the hierarchy of all elements on the page. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and just click the element directly on the page. Once the element is selected, move your cursor over it, click, and hold down your mouse button. While still holding the mouse button, drag the element to where you'd like it to go. As you drag, pay close attention to the blue indicator line that appears. This blue line is Webflow's way of showing you exactly where the element will be placed in relation to the other elements around it. When the blue line appears above another element, it means your element will be placed before that element in the layout. When it appears below, it will be placed after. If you see the blue line inside another element, like a div block or a section, that means you're moving it inside that parent container. This is very helpful for keeping your structure organized. Take your time and move the elements slowly so you can see how the indicator line changes position. When the blue line shows the spot you want, simply release the mouse button. The element will drop into that position and your page will update immediately. If the element doesn't land exactly where you expected, don't worry. Just click it again, drag it to a new spot, watch the blue line, and drop it until it looks right. You can repeat this as often as you like until the layout feels correct. That's all you need to move elements around in Webflow. Open your project from the dashboard, select the element in the designer, drag it while watching the blue indicator line, and drop it into place.